Fun with fire. Today we're doing a daytime demo novelty. It's called Rubber Ducky. And it's from, I had to figure out what brand it was. It's right there, Red Rhino Fireworks. RedRhinoFireworks.com. That's because I got this from an assortment and I didn't know what brand it was. And the item number is the CD7015. You can scan that code. Rubber Ducky, you're the one. Hey, Bert. So let's check out Rubber Ducky. It's got wheels. Hopefully we'll get some luck with that. Rubber Ducky from Red Rhino Fireworks. Let's check it out. Alright. Let's let the duck go. She's lit. Oh, duck spun out. The wounded duck. Oh. It's coming out of his, now the duck's dead. He spun out.
That's quacktastic.
Sweet.